Hello guys, welcome again to another amazing video on our channel. So today we are going to show you how to make chicken shawarma. Actually, we were supposed to do this video yesterday, but I found myself in Nigeria and Nepa Wahala. There was no light, so I had to wait this morning. We did the shawarma of yesterday and we kept some so that we can do a video for you this morning while we eat shawarma for breakfast. I'll show you how I did it. Now, first of all, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like our videos and of course subscribe to our channel. Show me more love by subscribing, because these videos like that cost a lot of money. And in the first time, I'm going to tell you what we used for what. Now, this is the cream. Come closer. This is the cream. We used Bama mayonnaise to do the cream, and of course we use Sprite. All right. Now, and this is our chicken. Now, for this chicken, it's not the same like this. This one here is for you to see the difference. It's not the same. This one is too dry. This one is to eat normal fried rice. Why this one is different? We had to use particularly the chicken abdomen part of the chicken. I've forgotten how. Chicken breast. Yeah, we used it. We parboiled it. Then now we had to slice it into slender sizes like this. After we were done slicing them like this, we removed all of the bone. Then we put it and mix some spices on it so that the chicken will have flavor and taste. We allowed it to settle for some time so that the spices can get into it. Then we fried it. It's not too deep. The fry is not too deep, so that when you're eating the shawarma, it will not get boring or too strong for you to chew. It will be somehow nice and everything sings together. The ginger is there, the spices is there, infused in the chicken, of course. And we got this particular bread wrap, shawarma bread or shawarma wraps here. It's 1,000 naira for 8 wraps, and this one is the double crust. Like, it has two. If you open it, you will see that it has two layers. See from here, 2 layers of the shawarma bread infused in one. And of course, we're going to use our cabbage and a little bit of carrot mix to do it, and we are going to add a little bit of pepper to make sure that it has that a little spicy taste when you're getting it. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Enough of the talking, let's get to work.
So in the first step, you want to add the cream into the meat, or maybe you can put it into the cabbage, then you add the meat after you've put the cream into the meat, you add the cabbage. Then now you have to mix together so that the cream gets into both the meat and the cabbage simultaneously. While mixing this thing, also you add pepper to get the pepper flavor, for it to be spicy if you want. Some people at this stage can add ginger or garlic depending on how you season your chicken, because this one will determine how the shawarma is going to taste. The cream is actually the soul of the shawarma, and if you want extra cream, you can actually use yogurt or you use mayonnaise to add extra cream to it if you want to. After doing your cream, you can add extra mayonnaise to get it like that going. I'm actually mixing all this in a clean bowl because it is for home consumption, but actually those who do it for commercial purposes don't actually mix like this. They just put everything individual, pour the cream individually into the shawarma. But I'm doing this because it's for home. I want everything to be nice. I want the cream to enter into the cabbage and into my meat or chicken. The next is to put your cabbage and your beef and your cream into your shawarma wraps. Actually, this shawarma wraps, I bought it here in Nigeria. It was just 1,000 naira for about 8 pieces of the shawarma wraps. And this one that I'm having is a 2-in-1 shawarma wraps. Now, for the shawarma wraps, the area that appears burnt is the outside, while the area that appears less burnt is the inside. So that is where you put those fillings of your shawarma before you wrap. After this, you have to cut your aluminum foil. It is very essential because immediately after putting the fillings into the shawarma wraps or the shawarma bread and you fold it, you have to immediately put it into the aluminum foil, then you close it. So that is why it is important for you to prepare your foil before filling your shawarma into the shawarma bread. You can actually cut it into the number of shawarma breads you feel like you can do before you start rolling it up. So the next step is filling the shawarma bread. Now you have to know the number of persons that are going to eat the shawarma bread and how you want it to look like. So if you put much of the shawarma fillings into the shawarma bread, your wrap is going to be smaller. But if you put little, you're going to wrap it for a long time. So that is it. So if more fillings, it becomes big and you wrap like small. But if you put less fillings, you can wrap for a long time. So then when you're done filling it, you wrap it into the aluminum foil exactly like I'm doing like this. Although some people have different ways of wrapping their own shawarma, but this is how I did it because the family I was doing it for, where I found myself, we were actually many of us, so I had to do it in small shapes like that, so everybody is going to benefit from what I'm doing. When you're done arranging the wraps, the next thing is to put your fire into the oven. Like you switch your oven on or switch on the gas in the oven, and then you allow the oven to preheat for some time before you put the shawarma, so that it won't take long for it to be ready. Once you've preheated your oven, you can open it and put the shawarma wraps into it. Please, this particular stage is very crucial. It depends on the level at which your oven is. If it is at 4 or 5 or 3 or 1. Now, the lower the heat, the more time it will take. The more the heat, you actually know that it has to take lesser time, so that you don't put your shawarma in the oven for a very long time. Most times, I just prefer that you put your shawarma for 10 minutes at the stage of 4. It should be 4, level 4 of your gas, the burner controller 4, and then you put it for 10 minutes. After that, you can remove your shawarma and then you enjoy. So put them in such a way that each of them should face the heat directly, because the oven, this particular oven I'm using, heats from bottom. But there are some ovens that heat on both sides. If you have the oven that heats on both sides, it's not going to be 10 minutes. It's supposed to be shorter because the heat is being supplied from both top and bottom. After 10 minutes, you can then remove and serve to those who are willing to eat and they are going to enjoy it. It's going to be marvelous. So like you've learned from this video, the key to shawarma is cream. Another thing is also the beef or the meat that you're using. As I'm using chicken, I first of all seasoned it. You can also do this one in your home with your normal meat and see how my family is actually enjoying it. That is my mother-in-law enjoying it with my baby and of course others around. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and also you can also let us know where you're watching from and if you're enjoying the video, or if you feel like there's a way that we can improve on our video quality or the kind of videos that you like to see on our page this particular year, please comment and let us know. God bless you and Happy New Year. Bon appetit.